Good morning. Ashok,
Yes, sir.
got it files.
Sir, got it.
So you got SQL connector, SQL software jar files, and NetBeans Java files. 3 files you got it, and database connection at the end. 4 files you might have received it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check it out. Class over, no? First hour, no?
Sir, completely. Cyber security.
Okay. Then why you people are taking, other people are taking so much time to join?
I think cloud class is going on.
Cyber security only 20, na?
Sir, 20, sir. And the remaining students are in clouds.
Okay. Let us see then. Another 5 minutes. Arjun, Arjun also cloud computing only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They should maintain timings. Not to. Call Venkatesh.
So done with cloud computing class, sir.
Over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then what about others?
I don't know, sir.
Sir, class ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಓಕೆ 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 ಅಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. Put message in your group, class started, join immediately. I told you yesterday only. Try to join immediately. Database connection will go. but still you people are not following timings. Spurti. Okay, I'll go for that. That is their problem. That's it. Right. So when you are running this program, so database one, we have created database this file. So when you are running this, so you will be getting the error SQL exception. No suitable driver found for the JDBC DR by localhost 1527 EMP1. Okay, so this is what you are getting the error. So now what you have to do is you have to install the jar files. So install the drivers, driver manager.java 602, all these things errors are there. You need to install the drivers. That's what I told you yesterday. It's a, since 1 week I was telling, first we have to install the softwares, whatever it is required. So now let us move to the installation. See here, what you have to do is, actually yesterday my SQL, I'll show here other programs, libraries, like this it will be there. So you will be having JDK 1.6 default and Glassflash server 3.11. But in this one, what is happening here? So already MySQL is there. So MySQL yesterday I tried it, but it got installed. So don't worry for that. Now we have to install the jar files. How to install the jar files is nothing but click the libraries, right click, add the jars. So now what you have to do is drivers, you have to install it. Actually jar files you have to extract it. Already I have extracted here. I'll show you here somewhere it is available. Here it is available. See here, I have extracted here already downloads. I have extracted C:users Sudarshanam download jar files. So this jar file, when you are extracting, see one more up, if you go jar files, so you have to extract the folder from the jar files zip. So this one. So if you are extracting, you will be getting like this jar files, and double click this, you will be getting the DR by client 10.8 3.0 jar files. So this is the path. Users Sudarshanam downloads jar files. Now go here. So here is my computer. Double click it and C: and users Sudarshanam P. Next is downloads. So downloads and MySQL jar files. Here is DR by client, this one. So click it this. Are you getting what I'm saying? Hello? Hello? Are you able to follow what I'm saying, Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Arjun?
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Okay, so whatever have sent it the jar files, you make it and extract the file. You will be getting one file separately. In that jar file, client file, you will be getting. So wherever it may be, so your location you have to copy it, because download itself I have extracted. That is the reason. So here itself I have extracted. That is the reason here only I'm finding the path. Jar files extracted. Where is that? So directly it is coming here. So DR by client 10.8, just open it. Now, can you able to see here now? Dear by client 10.8 3.0. So this is what all the jar files will be coming here in this. So this is what the Dear by client 10.8.0 10 files. So here also it will be there, clients, JDK client. So this is what the files services under this Dear by client. Client side you need to install all these softwares. So that means only one file that it will be taken care Dear by client 10.8.3.0. So now just I'll run this program. What will happen? See here. SQL not exception. So I have to run the database here. So run the database backside. So once it is run, this one also started automatically. So this is what your software JDBC Dear by this one. Now you run it and check it out. What will happen? See, build successful. Do you got it? Can you able to see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now drivers installed properly. So what you have to do is you have to extract your zip files. You will be getting the jar files. Under that, you will be having one file that you install it in libraries. So just what you have to do is right click, add jar file folder and select the path. Automatically it will be installed. Dear by client 10.8.0 jar files. That's it. Now do you have any problems? No, that's it. So now see here JDBC, EMP1, all these things, it is installed. Username. Now this line you are not getting any errors in your program. Now remaining things you continue it. So queries you have happened. Now I want to display the code. So what are all the fields are available in these fields? So EMP1. So you have the AJP tables. So EMP1, you'll be having these fields. You write it somewhere, take a piece of paper, EMP number, EMP name, EMP date, phone number. So all these things I have given only small letters, but it is displaying table fields is capital letter here. Don't bother for that. So what I want to say is, whenever you are creating backend, you try to create all small letters. No confusions will be there. Only Java here we are able to see it. One sometimes we'll give some capital letters, small letters, all these things. But there you try to give only case sensitive, so that you will not get any confusions when you are writing the programs. Even whenever you are giving username, password, doesn't matter. You give all small letters, you will not be having any problems. Now I am having 5 fields here. One is called EMP number, one is called EMP name, another one is called EMP date, another one is called the phone number. These 5 fields I want to display it. Now let us display here. Here I want to display it here. So what I have to do is, for displaying purpose, so here is while my results object dot next. So one you have to move it from the beginning. So you have to write it this, while my results object dot next. File, sorry. My results obj dot next. My results obj dot next. So you have to get it like this. then only yours is right. So it is working properly. So no errors. So give the open bracket, you enter it. You will be getting another one. Now what you have to do is you have to assign to 5 fields. You have to take 5 fields. One already in database you have the EMP number, EMP name, EMP date, and phone number. That 5 fields you assign to one. Every field you assign to one variable name. So once you assign that one, so display it. Then it will come back to the while loop, my results.obj.next. Next. How many fields you are having till end, it will be moving. So that is what you have to do it. For that, the way of writing the code is nothing but this one. So here is, you have to write first one is called the ID. So we have given the integer, that one. Int ID, write it here, int ID is equal to my results my_results.obj. So you have to write the get string, get integer. My results.get integer, next one is string, next one is date, next one is integer. So whatever you have given the fields, the same way you have to write it here. First one is called the get int. So the first field is called the integer, get int not query, label values. Second one, dot get integer column index. So ID is nothing but you are having the first field is called EMP number. Any doubt to write this code? First one is integer value. So you are assigning to ID. That one will be displaying later. Next one is called the string. So give one more name. So here any name you can give it, no problem. But I'll try to give the same name only. Name equal to my results dot obj dot dot get in string. Second one is we have given the string. So string column index. Second one you can take it here. Enter. So here is you have to give the second one is called the EMP name. Right, string second one. So third field is called the EMP date. So that is called the date. Small letter you give it. My results object dot get date. Column index, second one you take it. And the column index is nothing but we have given EMP date. Semicolon. Import java.utility.date. So date is nothing but what? Which package is required? Java utility.date. So that you have to import it. So that it will be coming here java.utility.date. So here is everything is easy only. Whenever you are getting error, you click it. Any software is required even if you forgot. Examination, you have to write it. But laboratory programs, no problem. Even if you are forgot 1 or 2 packages, it will show the errors. You have to download the package. That's it. So string over EMP name. Next one is called the phone number. Phone number we have given integer. So go for the integer phone number. So I have given here also same thing. I hope phone I have given. So it is phone is equal. You can give ph also. Ph it will no problem. Any variable name. My results obj dot get integer. So here you have to give the phone number. Right. So this name, whatever you are giving EMP number here, left hand side is there EMP number. This should be matching. EMP name, EMP date, phone PHONE number. Something you check it out. Sometimes one letter is missing also, then problem. So it will show the error. Even just you can check it out once whether it is working or not. No problem. Build successful. Total second. There is no error still now. Whatever you have done the program. Are you able to follow? Any doubt this? While my results.next. So every record will be reading from the beginning till end of the program. This one. No need to write end of the file, whatever end of the whatever we have learned the second semester, that one. No need to write end of the record here also. Just my results.next. Whenever you are running, it will be going from the beginning. Next, it will be going. First object will be giving. So ID, name, date, string. Now you have to display the fields. So ID, name, date, phone number. These things should be displayed. Now system dot out dot println, close the bracket, open it. So otherwise first you write it this one. So I'll write it ID, name, another one is called date, another one is called the phone number. End with semicolon. So write it plus. Now what you have to do is I'll give some gap, /t. So here also same thing. /t. Here also same thing. /t, you give it some gap. Now here you have to give it some of the concatenation plus concatenation plus. Now error over. So check it out anywhere, somewhere mistake. ID plus this and this one. Here also same thing, plus phone number /t and phone number, and end with the semicolon. Package system does not exist. Huh?
Yes, it should be capital system.
Oh, okay, sorry. Now no error, no? That's what, how much familiar, sometimes we'll do mistakes. Especially Java, this is the problem. Somewhere capital letter, somewhere this one. So I was seeing inside the query. So now is it clear now? Right. So now I'll save the program. Right. So now run the program here. Database one dot this one. So what you have entered is nothing but yesterday. Sudarshanam, date of joining. Ashok, date of joining, phone number. Arjun, Nayana, Diksha. Build is successful. So this is what the database. Even I'll show you the details also. Here, go to here and view the data. So you can see here, first one is P Sudarshanam, this one, and phone number. Ashok, these two things. Arjun, these two things. Nayana and Diksha. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. So this is what the way of writing small program. Now you can try for the insert values and update and delete. You can try for this. Once we try for this program, then your laboratory program will get over. Laboratory program will get over. So now packages also no need to struggle anything, isn't it? So any simple program I have done you. Simple database connection only have done. Have sent it the screenshots also. What file all of you got it? Spurti?
Oh, yes, sir, we received.
Yeah, you can try according to the same way you can try it out. First create the table, insert the values. Step by step have done it with screenshots. And the similarly next is come here, instead of the web pages, you have to select the Java applications. Once you try select that one, you will be creating one file automatically. Default it will be coming. So from there you can type the programs. So that is simple. So you have to write the first one is called the connection. Next you have to write the statement, you have to execute the results. That's it. So when you are giving the my connection is nothing but what connection, you have to give the driver manager dot get connection. That syntax you have to learn, either you or me, whoever it may be, you have to learn it, no other option. So driver manager dot get connection. Now this one is nothing but, once again I'll tell you here, this is a nearby local host. So this is nothing but the URL. When we learn the syntaxes, we learned it in the URL. Next is username, next is called the password. So this how you are getting this on JDBC is nothing but go to the services. So you have the program called this one EMP1 you have taken, which database you are taking, that database you need to write it here. So that database you will be creating the drivers here automatically, JDBC nearby and colon double quotes. What you do is nothing but directly copy it and paste it. How to paste it also we have seen yesterday. Go to the properties and you have the JDBC URL here. In this case here copy it and paste as it is, so that you will not get any problem. Don't go for the typing. That is what my suggestion. Suppose if somewhere some space that problems is there, means you will not get any connections. So that is the reason, just copy it here. You can able to see it here, right click properties and copy and paste it. And you know the AJP username, password also username AJP only. Sometimes we'll give root, whatever you are giving, you remember that and you give it, that's it. So use the backend, whatever you are giving, try to give only small letters. That is what my suggestion, so that you will not get any problems. So this is what the simple program. Now what I am saying is, so try to execute the same program. This program also have send you, I hope it is there in that file. Entire code also is available. Hello students, last program also is available. Program also is available, and apart from that, step by step I have entered. So go for step by step typing only. One program type it, don't go for copy and paste it here. So what will happen, by seeing only you will be getting many errors will be visible. So that don't want. Try to type it line by line, so that you will not get any errors. So if you get errors also, you can remove there itself. You will not have any problems. Just try to compile and go. After typing every statement, build successful. If you are getting, you don't have any problems. Right, Ashok tried today. Not Ashok, Arjun.
Sir.
Got it? Output.
Yeah, sir, actually I'm getting different error, sir.
What error?
So 1 second, sir.
So you have installed that software, the drivers.
No, sir. I thought like I'll do after this class because correctly I'll listen for this. Actually, it is not coming for driver error, sir. It's coming some other error.
Okay. So, okay, no problem. You try it out. If it is not possible, what you do is you have to share the screen tomorrow
Yes, sir.
or afternoon after finishing laboratory programs. You
Yes, sir.
share it, I'll tell you, so that even you can tell to your friends also, even if they have errors.
Yes, sir.
Because you have to install the drivers. That's what I told you. Every line after typing, you try to check it out. Errors parallelly. So entire code also I have sent it in that file. It is available. Entire program, just whatever I have done it today, as it is, I have copied and I have sent it. I hope that is the reason I have typed the same variable name. Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Because you have sent it the code also, no ID, name, phone number, because I've sent the code, same code, no. So that is the reason I've used the same variable name also. It is there. Instead of running, I've typed it once again. That's all. Because everybody should understand why we are typing every statement. So this is nothing but nothing. So this is nothing but how many fields are there. You have to type it. That's all. Okay. So
Sir,
no
actually,
problem.
I'm not getting this one, sir, driver error. Actually, see, sir, there is one line, catch SQL exception E. That line is error. I don't know why. From yesterday, it
This
is
one,
that line, sir.
So catch SQL exception E dot print stack test. That's it.
Yeah, sir, that line is error.
So
Catch statement.
can you share that?
Yeah, sir, I will share the screen.
I'll stop the sharing. You can share it. Then
1
I'll
second,
tell
sir.
you. Yeah. So others also can see it. Yeah, you can share it. We'll see. So make it fast so that my SQL process also I will finish it off today. Installation process.
Sir, I'll share now.
Yeah, share it, sir. No problem.
Yes, sir. See, sir, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let it come.
This, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not able to read this. Can you read it? Exception?
Sir, exception in thread main java.lang.runtime exception, sir. It is redirecting here.
Okay, now can you click it here? Like red button is there now.
Here, sir.
Click it. So some package is required. That first one, you SQL exception. Second one.
This one, sir.
Yes. Save the program now.
Okay, something new.
No. Go back. Right click. Here, left. This one. Click it.
Actually, 1 second, sir.
Delete it. That one.
Because everything got error.
No problem. Delete it. Cancel. Delete. Right click. Delete it. All right. Now come here.
Okay, 1 second, sir. Why everything came error?
Correct. Now it is correct because now this is driver should be installed now. Okay, this can be removed. It no problem. This is
1 second, sir. I'll run once. Now also same error.
That's what exceptions. Okay, no problem. So now you click it here.
Where, sir?
Catch exception. That red button is there. No, click it that one. But for me, it is displaying some other thing. Can you click it once again?
Yeah, sir. It's showing this. See, it is coming like one pink line is coming, sir. It's not redirecting anywhere.
Here you come. Now you click it.
Create method, front stack, and database.
No. Delete it and type it once again. But anyway,
Yeah, sir.
delete it and type it. Catch SQL exception space E open bracket is there E dot print stack trace. Now click it. Red button. This one. Once what is first one you try it out.
Yes, sir. Went up, sir.
Yes. Now come back here. Which version you was 7.1? Come back here.
Yeah,
come
sir.
to the library.
Once again, sir.
Library.
Yes, sir.
Where you have typed the DBMS, sir? Here only.
What, sir? DBMS.
Where is your file? Where is your file? Database file. That one. Here libraries you have to click it.
Okay.
That one. So now you don't have drivers.
Yes, sir. I don't have.
You have to install the drivers.
Okay.
Add jar file. No. You
Sir.
have done
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Now this one driver file error came.
Correct. Now come to the libraries.
One second, sir. Sir, you sent in college mail, no? Class mail, no?
Yeah, I'll send it. So others also can see properly. See, when you are practicing, then only you will be getting.
Sir, which one? Which file?
Jar
This
file.
one?
Jar file. Up.
This one, jarfile.zip.
Yes. Download it.
Yeah, sir, done.
Go to the downloads. Let it be there only, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Go to downloads. Now this minimize it. You go to downloads. Where is the jar files?
Yes, sir.
The first one. Extract here.
One second, sir. I'll extract in desktop.
No problem. Copy it and paste it here and extract it. Right click and paste it. No? Right click and paste it. Select which place you want. Right.
Yes, sir.
Files you got it. Now
Yes,
double
sir.
click. Double click.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is there, sir. Thereby tools and shared.
Thereby.
Thereby tools can you able to see?
Yeah.
See, sir.
So Sissy has sent it already. Same thing I'll send it. Client you are not getting in that.
No, sir. No. One second, sir. I'll check mail. Other files are there. Actually,
Other files, which one is there? MySQL connector. No.
Yeah,
Not
sir.
that one. 1 second. I'll send it to you once again.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Only 2 files are there.
Yeah, 1 second, because Sissy, I have downloaded. Sissy, I asked you to send it because you have sent with link all those things. I'll send it to all the people. Let it be, no problem sharing. Arjun, now I have sent it. Check it out. Download that.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Got it?
No, sir. I'm refreshing. I think it
Refresh.
takes time. 1, 2
Refresh
minutes.
it. Because zip file, it will take time.
Yes, sir. It didn't come.
Can you download it?
No, sir. Now it came. Sir, nothing came. Just text came.
Huh?
Just text came, sir. Nothing came. Just this text came.
One second. Sometimes net is creating. This is maximum file size. No, that is it is taking time.
Yeah, sir.
There was error attaching your files. Send this message without this attachment. Oh, some error is coming, Arjun.
Yeah, sir.
So there was error attaching your file. Send this message without this attachment.
Sir, if you can send it through WhatsApp, I can.
Okay. Shall I send after this class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Fine.
put it in a drive, sir. Then we can access. Send a link.
Okay. No problem. I'll do it after this class. You
Yeah,
can
sir,
stop
fine.
the sharing.
Yes, sir.
I'll finish it off this one, MySQL process.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So sorry for the disturbance. No problem. I'll send it. Don't worry, because that one you have to get it. No,
Yes, sir.
whatever I have shown, you have to get it. That you have to install. Then only your errors will be going. Otherwise, you cannot execute the programs. I'll send it probably end of the day. Laboratory programs I have to see once again. After the lab, I'll send it that one answer. Right. Now stop sharing.
Yes, sir. I stopped.
Enter the screen. So I'll put it correct. What he told, somebody told, no, through Google Drive only have to send it. Right. So now we have to get it here. You see here my database libraries. If you come here, so here you have the Nearby client 10.8.3 jar files. And this one actually Nearby client, this one it is there in that another file. So because I had two files, by mistake I have sent it other one. No problem. Nearby client is there. No, 10.8.05 jar file. This I have to send it. I'll send you. Don't worry. Here also same thing. I hope Nearby, right? Correct only. So now here you have the package is called MySQL Java 5.1 1.6 jar files. Now here also how to install it, database also. Now how to install the process, I'll tell you. So I'll go to the first here nodes. So software drivers, this one. So you have to extract the files here. So I have extracted, I got the MySQL here. Can you able to see here MySQL folder?
Yes, sir.
1 second, something went wrong. All right, MySQL, if you are extracting this, you will be getting MySQL, same folder only. 1 second, some process is running. So here you have to right click MySQL and setup is there. Can you able to see setup? Hello, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Double click it, that one open, otherwise double click it best. So it will go the process. Nothing. Just you have to click next, 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 next. That's all in your system. Yeah. So here is go for the no only. Ayo, sorry. I have to click it. Yes. Huh? So extracting installation process. Preparing for installation. You will get like this MySQL. Just next. Here also don't change anything. Just let it be the as it is. Modify only. Next here also MySQL only. Next install. Finish. Clear? That's it. Next one is come back here. Our MySQL connector is there. Here also same thing. And you have to this also make a double click. Always open the jar files. Okay. So once again I'll SQL connector somewhere it will be available. Check it out where it is available connector. Copy. Paste it once again. And replace it. Now double click it. Okay. So now minimize it. All these things minimize it. Here just type it SQL, MySQL. Might be over, I hope. SQL instant configuration wizard. So wizard is there. No, this you have to say take it. So open. Yeah, correct. So again you have to get it. Yes. So next recommended instance. Next. So multi-functional database. Yes. Here is also next only. So this is also next only. So this port number you have to remember 3306. But anyway, it will be displayed there also, no problem. And here is a standard charted list one only. And 1 second. Character set, right. So MySQL. So here you have to give the password. I'll give root. So everything root, give it. So execute it. So here is one by one should come tick. Then only your installation process will be completed. Right, finish. So all ticks you got it and finish it off. And next. So what happened? Again it is coming 3306. Root finish. Right, because I have clicked 3-4 times, that is the 2 times, that is what it is. Second time also is coming. So now up to here, okay. Remaining steps I'll tell you next class. Okay. So installation is nothing but that one only. First you have to open there and complete the process. Next, come to the Windows button. There, just type it MySQL. So MySQL wizard it will come. Select that and again open that one. It will go the process. So 2 steps you need to make it in your system also ready. The remaining 2 steps are there that I will tell you that one. How it will be coming back to there. Okay. So I hope for next hour again you will be getting the problems. I'll stop it to today's class. Attendance. Right, sir. Answer your attendance 1. Answer your attendance 1.
Yes, sir.
2. 2. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
13.
12
Present, sir.
sir.
12 present. 13. Okay. 14.
14 present, sir.
15. 16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20. 21.
Present, sir.
22. 23.
Present, sir.
24. 25.
Yes, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29. 30.
Present, sir.
PD series 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
5 present, sir.
6. Hey, what happened for him? 6. Who is 6, sir?
Akash, sir.
Why is not coming?
Sir, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ
Sir, he is not well, sir.
Okay, who is his proctor? Me only.
No, sir. Nirupama,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Nirupam madam 6. Okay, Baba. No problem. Right. Next, where I stopped? 6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
12 present, sir.
13, 14, 14,
Yes, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Sir, 16 present, sir.
Present, sir.
19, 19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
23,
22 present, sir.
22 present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 23,
Present, sir. Sir, I was present yesterday also. You have marked absent.
I don't know why You might, I asked you, where is Vinirana? Nobody has told.
Sir, I was present. Vaishnavi informed me later.
That is wrong. Yeah. So I asked you Vaishnava, Vinirana. Okay. Right.
Sir, 16 present.
So my suggestion is please try to install MySQL also, and jar files now I'll send it that one, because attaching problem, some problem is coming, that I'll send it now. Okay. Nearby files, how to drivers, how to install. Other Arjun.
Sir.
Otherwise, the same error you are getting. No, the driver number.
Yeah, sir. Same numbers I'm getting error.
That driver number you can type it in Google. There also you can download. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I'll send it. No problem, because my data. Because after finishing lab, I'll send it. Because otherwise, for lab, I'll get problem.
Yes, sir.
If not, I'll send it tomorrow.
Sir, fine, sir.
Net, because I have to complete lab. Then data, if data is available, I'll send it today end of the day for you. Otherwise, tomorrow morning, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, full 3 days I don't have class only, I'll send it.
Yeah, sir. Sir, otherwise you send me the link, sir. I'll download because I have Wi-Fi.
Right. Right, no problem.
Sir?
Sir,
Sir,
tell me.
Sir, 16 present, sir. You marked absent.
Which 16, madam?
TT 16, sir.
You should have told no attendance. So
Sir, mic problem, sir.
then you are telling the different way, sir. I was present. So you should tell it, sir. Mic present, mic ops problem. You give me attendance. Right, sir. No problem. So shall I stop the class now?
Yes, sir.
So another 1 or 2 hours lab also, afternoon also same thing. Yeah, again I cannot say. So 1:45 means 1:45. You try to connect it. Today 2 programs. I'll tell you. If you are missing, that is your problem. That's it. I am helpless. Plugins also easy way. I'll tell you how to drag drop also today itself. So one more, you have to spare 1 more hour, either Friday or Saturday, Sunday. I'll finish 1 more lab programs. So by that time, 9 programs it will get over this week. Another 3 programs will be there. That one day, one program you have to do it. One is database connection. Whatever I have told, how to add, you can add it to 2 to 3 statements. Either one is called the inserting the values, another one is called the update, another one is called the delete. Any particular row or particular table, whatever it may be. So that is what you have to do it. Even parallel, I will also try it out this weekend. So next week, we'll be able to finish 10 programs. Okay. So now you have to work hard. No other option for us, because we have